Good evening. Victoria, can you hear me?
Yes, Professor.
Okay. So we'll just wait for a couple of minutes and start.
Yes, Professor.
Okay. Very good. Okay, shall we get started?
Yes, Professor.
Okay. So good evening, everyone, and welcome to this live interaction for the laboratory, electronics laboratory. I guess this meeting might be a very short one because it's just the first. The material was released on Monday, right?
Last Friday, Professor.
Okay, Friday. Yeah. So you might have just gotten started with your experiment and all that. When is the due date?
Next week, Wednesday, Professor.
Okay, fine. So I think that's okay. So the last time I noticed a trend where uh, on the Monday before the submission, right? Typically, students had a lot of doubts. So I'm guessing that's how it is going to be this time also. So the idea is behind this, what kind of experiments have been given to you. Uh, the idea is you will see that you are going to use you're not going to verify the truth table of a digital gate, for example. Okay, that is not an experiment that we expect you to do. Okay, we are going to give you experiments where you might have to verify the truth table in order to achieve a greater goal. That's a different story. But just verifying the truth table of an adder, of a counter and all is not the goal of this lab. We want you to see and learn things practically. So what I mean is, sometimes logically your circuit might be functioning correctly, and yet your circuit, logically the outputs of your chips might be correct, the voltage levels might be correct, and yet your circuit might not be working properly. Those are the interesting things that you need to debug, and you need to figure out what's going to happen. This will happen to you. You will see it straight away in experiment 3. Okay. You will see it in experiment 3, where the experiment is very simple, and yet you will need to do a lot of things to actually to get it work. Okay. So the way it happens, let me just give you the thing. There are 4 analog experiments and 4 digital experiments. So every alternate experiment will be analog and digital. So it's going to be like week 1 is digital, week 2 is analog, week 3 is digital, week 4 is analog, right? Then week 5 and 6 might again be analog for you, okay? And week 7 and 8 might be digital, okay? This thing will let you know when in due course of time. There is a specific reason for this, because experiment 7 and 8, the last two digital experiments, require a lot of space on your breadboard, okay? And you cannot be dismantling and reconnecting every time. So it's like a continuous big experiment, 7 and 8 alone. Okay. I mean, the last two experiments of digital are supposed to be continuous, right? You just go full, in one shot and finish it. So therefore, we will let you know the exact order, by next week. And we'll tell you what has to be done. So the way it's going to work is you will do 8 experiments at home. The analog experiments you will do, they are more or less standalone experiments, but the digital experiment sort of builds. Okay, it starts from something small and builds to a big one, and then you are supposed to bring your breadboard as assembled for the last experiment to the campus for your exam. Okay, you're not supposed to dismantle the breadboard and bring it to Chennai. You assemble it, keep it as it is, and bring it to Chennai. Okay, so you find a nice way to pack it. You can just put a lot of cotton, whatever, stuffing to just keep it nicely packed and bring it over. People did it last time, it worked very well. And what we will do is in your examination, we will give you an extension of the 8th experiment, final experiment that you need to demonstrate in person. Okay, so this is the general flow. Okay, and the first experiment I am assuming is you're doing the this thing, right? You're doing the VTC characteristics of the NAND gate, correct?
Yes,
Can
sir.
some student confirm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, fine.
Yes.
So therefore, yeah. So I think the order is going to be experiment 1 will be digital, experiment 2 will be analog, 3 will be digital, 4 will be analog. Then 5 and 6 will again be analog. So 4, 5, 6 will be analog. Okay. 7 and 8 will be digital again. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, where we have to submit the video for week one? Will we get a G-form link or will we have to upload on the YouTube like last time?
No, you'll get a GForm link where you have to upload it.
Okay, sir.
So, Victoria, please share, the video that some of the students shot last time, right? The good videos, just to show them what is expected.
Sure, Professor. I will share it along with this G form.
Yeah, exactly. Do it, and I will maybe pick a couple of videos and tell you, right? So just share that so that they know what to expect.
Okay, Professor.
How to shoot it, what to do, and all that stuff, right? Yeah. So are there any questions now? Yes,
Sir.
Namai.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
No, I'll start with Namai.
Uh, Good evening, sir. I hope I'm audible.
Yeah.
So, sir, in the first experiment that we did, I had a doubt regarding the usage of voltmeter. So, I was wondering, since our ADLM kit has two channels, channel A and B, can't we provide like a constant voltage from channel A and then take our output from channel B? And I did that with some of my friends who took electronics lab last term, and so we came up with this. So, is that all right if we do it in
Yeah.
that way?
No, absolutely. It's just that it might be easier to actually deal with a voltmeter because you just probe and see it right there. See,
The thing
sometimes.
is, it will eliminate the potentiometer and all the fiddling with the screw that has to be done. So,
Oh, no. Okay.
yeah,
You're saying you want to apply that voltage directly.
yeah.
See, the problem with applying, say, I'll tell you what will happen when you apply the voltage, right? Sometimes the voltage you are applying from there, you also have to measure it back. See, because
Yeah.
I am not sure if what gets applied, if the connection is all right and all that stuff, it's going into the chip. So the
Mhm.
advantage with potentiometer is whatever you change, you are measuring, right?
Right.
So
Yeah.
it's very likely that voltage actually gets applied to the chip. Okay,
All
that's
right, but
the only thing. Yeah.
right. But when we change, I mean, a voltage, let's say if you provide a constant voltage of 3.5 volts from channel A, then I
Yeah.
do measure it with my potential, I mean, my voltmeter to check whether if it's actually 3.5 or not. So like I do that double checking.
Yeah, that's okay. Like I said, if you measure it, it's fine with me. Yes.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Abraham.
We have the ADA ad lamp kit and we had the electronics kit. Is there any kit we need? Is there any kit any extra kit required, sir?
No, nothing. That's all.
That's all.
Yeah. Nothing
Okay.
else. Yes. Telukala.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to know the list of experiment we will have to do this time, sir. And also whether we have to purchase a multimeter, no? Please suggest any good model, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
I think multimeter we don't specify. We didn't specify because many of you might already have one. We don't want you to force you to buy any one of them, right? But if you want a suggestion, we will just send you a model. Yeah, that's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you.
Fine. Sure. So the list of experiments are already ready. We will send you an email by the end of this week. Okay, or maybe by Monday next week, we'll send you the list of experiments. Okay. Yeah, Ayush.
Hello, sir. Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes.
Sir, we are performing the experiment of lab one, that is VTC curve of an inverter by the IC 7400. So can we perform without the IC 7400? Is there any way to perform it?
No,
It's
you
like
need
simple RC.
you need 7400. No, what do you mean? How will you perform it without that?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. 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 Aditya Prakash.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, actually, I was from the last time electronics lab student. I
Yeah.
joined this meet by mistake. So, as you have said that we cannot apply from channel A, we cannot give channel A input directly to the TTL chip because of that CMOS to BTL problem, right?
Yeah.
So we cannot give directly from ADLAM the input to channel A. So we have to use anyway.
No, it depends on the current. No, so don't worry about that. That this current will be very low.
Okay.
The first experiment, it may be okay.
Okay, sir. Thanks for the clarification.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Ankit.
Sir, do we have to write any experiment reports on the lab review?
No. Sometimes we may ask you to, plot something, show something and all that, but that will all be part of the video. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Yes. Sumit.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
Sir, I want to ask what are the confirmed date of in-person lab of electronic lab so that I can book my reserve tickets and all.
Yeah. Sometime in September, no? I think Victoria, can you answer that?
September 21st and 22nd, and the next slot will be September 28th and 29th. We will be circulating a G form and as well as the mails regarding this.
Like electronic lab, like 2 days.
Yes,
Yeah,
2 days will be.
2 days. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Abraham.
Sir, do we have to plot any of those things that you give on the video, right? The VTC and all that?
Yeah, you'll have to plot and show. Yes. That's why we'll share one video with you of what people did last year. You need to do it on similar lines. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sumit.
Yeah, sir, I have already asked, sir.
Yeah, please put your hand down then. Jitesh.
Okay.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, barely. Go on.
No. Sir,
Hello.
actually, my laptop has... Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, my laptop has USB 2.0 port, so my kit is not able to deliver the sufficient voltage.
No, no.
When I connect the voltage to my...
So when did you come here for the ESTC lab?
Yes, sir, I came.
How did it work that day?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, it is working right now also, but when I connect it to the breadboard, voltage dropped rapidly.
Yeah, but no, but I'm asking you, how did your low pass filter work?
Um, Sir, same like I took output from channel A and measure it from channel B.
No, but how did the low pass filter work? You had to connect the low output of channel A to the low pass filter and then check the output of the low pass filter on the channel B, no?
Yes, sir.
How did that work?
Sir, but in this case, I am not getting output required voltage.
No,
Like
this I
I
cannot
am
help.
getting 5 volts.
No, this I
Sir,
cannot.
can I use
Yeah.
external power supply 5 volts?
No, you can try. See, if you get it to work by using an external supply and all that, but I mean, look, if you're going to use such an outdated laptop, there's no way you can complete this course. Okay. There are so many other things in the future which are going to depend on a better USB, a better laptop, and all that. So just update, you have to upgrade your laptop. There's no choice there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anything else? Okay, so I understand. Yeah, most of you might not have. Is there soft? Okay, Gayatri Thakur. Directly not enough current. Yeah, it may be a problem. Correct. So that's okay. So let's see. Sir, is there any software by which you have to show our connectivity to the breadboard? No. Connectivity of the breadboard to upload in the video. There's no software. You just show you show some continuity. You show the beep. You record the beep. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, so like I said, we will share a sample video of what people recorded last time, which was acceptable. So you basically have to do the same. Yes. Who's this Bandaru?
So,
Yeah.
when we like connect the ADLAM kit to the breadboard, so we
Yeah.
have to show the voltages in every component as well, sir.
No. There are certain things that, for example, in the first experiment, there is a trim pot that you're changing, right? We just want to see the
Yes,
input
sir.
voltage at the NAND gate and the output voltage. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So it's not like you have to show everything. No.
Sure.
Yeah. Namai?
So there was just a small question. Is it all right if you use jumper wires?
Jumper wires in the sense, what do you mean by jumper wire?
As in the wires, see, so the wires that were provided in the kit, those were just wires that we had to peel and then put. But there
Correct.
are pre-made jumper wires as well that are available.
No. Pre-made jumper wires come with fixed length. Okay. And they
Yeah,
become very messy for big circuits.
correct.
Okay. So especially if you want to transport your circuit from Delhi to Chennai for the exam,
Yeah.
you cannot. It'll surely come out and it'll get messed up. Right? The only thing that stays properly is if you measure it and connect the wire really tight.
All
It'll-
right, sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I think for today we can close. I will see you people again on Monday because I understand the Monday before the submission, people have a lot of questions. So I will see you on Monday again. Yeah, Anirban? Victoria, I'll just be back. Okay, just give me 1 minute.
Right.
Yeah, I'm back. Anirban, you had a question.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, I had one question. Suppose I have bought the kit from the suggested vendor that you guys have told, and they
Yeah.
have given me all the instruments and the ICs and everything. But regarding the multimeter, is there any special requirement of the multimeter, the
No,
range?
that's why we don't distinct. So, Namai, can you just put a model of the multimeter that you use? Do you have a multimeter? I mean, I
Yes,
don't.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, just
I'll
put
put
the.
one with which can measure capacitance as well. I'll put the Amazon link in the chat
Yeah, yeah.
section.
Yeah, just do that. We have no particular no specific model that we recommend or suggest. So what Namai says is probably usable.
Okay, sir. And one more thing, that will be assigned to a particular tier, right, for the lab work?
Correct.
Okay, so we haven't, personally, I haven't yet got the name of any TA.
No. There is no TA like that. So the reason I am
Okay.
conducting live sessions is so that you ask your questions. Okay.
Okay.
And when you come here for evaluation, you will be
Yeah.
assigned to one TA.
Okay, okay. Regarding the daily video and the report, that the submission that has to be done directly to a link or a particular link or something like that, right?
Correct. That Victoria will send you guys.
Okay, okay. And sir, you just told that you'll be giving us a sample video how to make it. Then you'll be giving us the link or something like that, or it's a
No,
YouTube video, something like.
it's a YouTube. There is a YouTube video or a Google Docs video or something. We will
Okay, okay.
drive video. We'll share the link with you. You can see the video and understand what needs to be done.
Okay, so that the video, that submission of the video is the only thing, right? Any
Right.
other thing is not required.
So nothing else.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else? Any other questions when you're starting? Okay. So, like I said, let's keep this session short. I don't want to hold you guys back unnecessarily. Next Monday, we will meet again we will meet on Monday. Okay. This is because it was the first week and I was busy on Monday, I said we'll meet on Wednesday this time. Next time, we'll meet on Monday because only then you will have time to ask your questions and then upload it by Wednesday. Is that clear? Monday 4 p.m. is the live session for the lab.
Sir, just a small request, sir. Actually, we are having jobs, right? And actually, on Mondays, 4 p.m., we won't be able to join you live. So, is there any possibility to just hold it in, if you just held it in the evening or something like that?
I mean, this evening slot has been picked because other people go to college, regular colleges, and all that. So we are assuming this time is okay. What time works for you?
I mean, after 5 p.m. or on 5 p.m., it's okay because on 4 p.m., we will be in the office. That is the problem.
So how about we make it 4:30 to 5:30 where you join at 5 o'clock?
Okay, okay, okay. That would be fine, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So Victoria, just move it to 4:30 on Mondays.
Okay, Professor.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, then thank you all. I'll see you on Monday at 4:30 then.
Thank you, sir. We look forward to having more such sessions with you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Man.